Hey everyone, this is Arjun Rai, founder and CEO at HelloWoofy.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at a virtual reality version of your favorite platform, HelloWoofy.com. Smart marketing for underdogs, people just like you and me. So we have a couple of windows here in Firefox running in virtual reality. This is called an Oculus 2 or a Quest 2 built by Oculus, also a Facebook company or product. And Mark Zuckerberg really talked about the meta universe and how it's going to be the future of interacting with people and experiences and whatnot. Well, we were like, okay, well, HelloWoofy is always cutting edge. Why don't we do something cutting edge too? So rendered here is the platform itself. So you can see all my dashboard is on the left side. You can create campaigns here, which are represented in purple. Those are your long-term strategies. Blue obviously represents your short-term strategies, or you're scheduling things one at a time with single posts. Or with regards to add content, means that you're adding content one at a time to the library, which is over here. Now, all these similarity scores you see here means that, the content has already been posted in the last, few weeks or so, in the last 30 days or so. Obviously, this went out today. So everywhere it went out, it's 100% similar. Now, the reason why this is important is because Twitter specifically does not like similar or duplicated content. So you want to make sure that you're not posting the exact same thing again and again and again. And Twitter, you want to love Twitter. Now, all of the other posts are right here as well. You can take a look at, another post we did about, getting feedback on our Pinterest integration. Here's one about motivational content and so on and so forth. And of course, on the left side, you've got all my favorite categories. You got post ones categories, motivational content, content masters. That's our Facebook group. So let's go ahead and click on, let's say, motivational content. Now you'll see here, these are all our pieces of content that is, always ready to go in anywhere we want to post it. But let's say we want to go ahead and schedule, let's say, don't worry, okay, we'll work through this together. This looks like a good post. All I'm going to do is click on this triangle, create a single post out of it, and voila. Now, based on that image down here, now we have already transcribed this ahead of time. I feel like Rachel Ray right now. We've already cooked this ahead of time, but if you put this in the oven and wait an hour, it'll be all ready to go. But here we go. We're going to click on this anyways. We're going to click on the T, and it actually reads the image, in this case the meme from Jiffy, and it'll automatically transcribe everything here, word for word, character for character, and add it to the post. Now, we've already done that. We deleted the last part because we didn't want that. We just wanted this part here. And as you can see, it's giving you emoji recommendations as well. If you want to add another emoji here, let's say we want to do this one here, I'll throw the emoji there. If I want to put the cursor up there and see, if I want to use any of these, or actually, you know what? I'm going to use a couple of emojis maybe from here, which are being used in real time. So these are emojis that I can take a look at. Oh, whoops, seems like I'm getting too close to the kitchen table here. That's what that means. When I get close to my barriers, it's going to prevent me from hitting an actual real life item. But let's go ahead and add a pumpkin. Looks cool. I'm going to add that here and paste it in. Voila. All good. We're going to close that up there. And if I wanted to find other images, I could hit the purple dot. Based on what I've typed in so far, the purple dot would give me the ability to find other royalty-free images or memes and GIFs. And then if I click the green dot, I could go ahead and create something in Canva or in Crello. Or if I hit the orange dot, if I have a URL for an article, it'll automatically suggest or pull the image from there as well. So let's actually do what this platform is designed to do, which is post. So we're going to send this off to my LinkedIn page right there. We're going to send it off to my Instagram page there. And let's say we want to do Facebook as well. And we want to do Twitter as well. All right, so we got 4 ready to go. LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook profile, and Twitter. And by the way, if you guys haven't already noticed, we can also summarize an article. So if you have an article URL, throw it in there. It will read the whole article. If you have a paragraph, throw it in there. It will read the whole paragraph and give you a 1-sentence synopsis. So again, a lot of capabilities here. And we have some hashtags here too. We want to go ahead and use these hashtags. So I'm going to paste it in or click on this. And let's go ahead and click on entrepreneur hashtags. And I want to use leadership. I want to use inspirational success quotes. Great. I'm going to ready to go. Ready to go, good to go. All right, let's hit and trigger the post. Now what's going to happen is, okay, yes, a reminder, I have to go check on my phone to do the Instagram personal semi-automation and the Facebook personal semi-automation. But everywhere else, it's ready to go. So we'll do a follow-up video, or I'll add in at the end what it looks like on Twitter and everywhere else. But now here on the right side, you'll see all of the your calendar, how visually busy your days and weeks are getting. Green means not too busy, yellow means getting busy, and then red, of course, means that it's very busy. Now, journal is your is where you create your blog posts. This is where you can schedule all your blogging to your Medium account, your WordPress account. So for example, this is actually a real post that has been sent out to our WordPress account. Put your featured image or header image in there, click on upload, and you can literally see Medium, WordPress, and Shopify is on the way. So a lot of capabilities baked in. Now, again, if you haven't already taken advantage of the platform, highly recommend doing that, because beyond the platform, beyond the smart technology and whatnot, there are other ways to get involved. The Content Masters Facebook group, which you're seeing over here, that is your way of telling us what exactly you want us to build, what's working for you, what you need to polish, and so on and so forth. In fact, while at the time of this recording, we are also running an equity crowdfunding campaign. And what that means is that anyone can invest as low as $100 into the company and own a piece of it. And so to learn more, click on that to learn more. And then every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time, we do client networking calls. That's your way of saying, hey, I'd love to learn more about sales funnels, or what is copywriting, or any help you need for your small business. We're happy to help. If you need any help at all ever with the platform, click on Need a Pause. It's a 15-minute Zoom call, guided tour. It literally walks you around the entire platform. Or you can hit this little question mark here or the help button, and that'll get you a ticket directly into our system, and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. So a lot of capabilities in here. Now, currently we support quite a few pieces of technology or integrations and APIs, but if you have any other recommendations, let us know what else we can do for your Underdog business. A lot of smart capabilities baked in right here. Oh, and one more thing. If you're creating a campaign, let's go ahead and do it in augmented reality right here. In fact, actually, let's zoomed in. Let's go ahead and do it over here. Click on this, and let's say we want to schedule every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go to November, and let's say we want to do every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday, and we want to turn on pattern schedule. All right, click on the next icon here. Let's say we want to use motivational content, and we want to use we want to go ahead and use the personal integration for Instagram. Click that, click that, click that. Okay, when do we want it to end? Let's end it on the 20th. So we're going to click on next. We're going to click on end date one more time. You can see it automatically picks the days for me. And then we're not going to repeat any of the content. We're going to 5 p.m. We're good to go. All right, click schedule. It'll automatically schedule it for me 2 weeks at a time as the campaign is being generated. Now, while that's happening, let's take a look at what we just scheduled. We just scheduled motivational content right here. All of these posts are going to my Instagram account and are ready to go. So let's go ahead and still creating a campaign, and then we can go ahead into the calendar and take a look at what that looks like. All right, here we go. Go to calendar. Actually, our calendar's right here. And voila, you got the first campaign there. You got the second post there. They're there. And you can see, let's go ahead and you can see all of our campaigns are ready to go. So again, if you haven't already grabbed the lifetime deal, it starts at $19 a year, goes up to $49 a year, goes up to $69 a year, $99 a year, and $249 a year at $11.89 a year. These are literally prices that you'll never find anywhere else with these capabilities. And honestly, the mindset that we have at HelloWoofy, which is always being first and ahead of time, ahead of schedule, ahead of the pack, if you will. So please do keep in touch and reach out to us if you have any other feedback or any other recommendations. This is Arjun Rai, founder and CEO at HelloWoofy.com. All right, guys. See ya. And here we go.